Hey, fourth grade friends, just a quick review on point of view. I know that we've worked on this a couple times throughout the year. I just want to give you a quick rundown of the different words and clues you're going to find in point of view, as well as what you're expected to do on the worksheet here that you have as part of your assignment today. So we have first person point of view, and when you see first person, you're going to see a lot of I, me, and my. Don't get confused about what you see in those quotation marks. If it's in the quotation marks, you can't count it as part of your clue, because sometimes you hear third person and they say I, me, and my, but it doesn't count as a clue within the actual reading. So look for things that just say I, me, and my, what the narrator is saying. Second person, you have you and yours, and a lot of times we don't read books that have second person point of view, because that would be saying something like you picked up the sword and you walked into the dark cave and you were getting ready to attack the giant when you tripped over a rock. We don't really see that many many stories like that, but you might. Third person, and we have third person limited, and we have words like she, he, him, they, them, and again, those quotations, you might see quotes, and you might see some writing in there, and some words like I and me and my, but make sure it's what the narrator is saying. We also have third person limited, and that means that the narrator only knows the thoughts and the feelings of the main character. So keep that in mind when you're doing your worksheet. We then have third person omniscient, which are using the same words, those same clue words, except this time the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all the characters. So keep these little clues in mind for your worksheet that you're going to be doing. And for this worksheet, you have 3 short little stories. It wants you to read the story, and then you have 2 boxes in the bottom. And it wants you to put down your clue words, so any of these words that you see, which point of view it is, and how you know that. So what in the story helped you know that? So as you're reading, I would be underlining or highlighting clues that are going to help you figure out the point of view and your best answer. Have fun!